Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a brief look at a 2016 Harris Solstice 240. So 240 Solstices have been one of our most popular selling luxury pontoons here in the North Texas market for ever since I've been here for 12 years. So really nice long bow seating up front. This was ordered with pillow top, and it does have the upgraded stereo with polka audio throughout, subwoofer amplifier, as well as LED lighting in the cup holders and LED lighting under the seats. This one does have the supercharged inline 6 200 horsepower Mercury on it, so it's the Verado Pro. 159 hours on this, so very lightly used. Also, full length double bimini, so your stern bimini will cover up to here. Your forward bimini unzips, it goes back to here, so it provides shade for the entire length of the boat. Aftermarket table on this one, which I actually like. It's nice, keeps your cups from spilling. 5-inch Simrad, as well as a digital throttle. So really nice, and also the most popular floor plan right now, which is the SL floor plan from Harris. Stern safety railing on this one, so it is legal to sit back here while the boat is underway. It does have the ski tow bar, and it also has the submersible swim seat, which is one of the most popular options out there. So if you got any questions about this or any of the others you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. I'd love to talk to you.